Hello and welcome to the Migrate a VM screencast. In this screencast, we will demonstrate how to hot and cold migrate a virtual machine to another host using the Sunstone Web UI. OpenNebula supports both cold migration through the safe mechanism and the live migration. For live migrations, it is important to make sure that the connection via the ports in the range from 49.152 to 49.215 between KVM hypervisors can be established. In the scope of this demonstration, I'm going to launch two virtual machines and will wait until both of them are up and running. Let's verify that the virtual machine is running by accessing it via the VNC. As seen on the screen, the virtual machines are running, and both of these are running on two different hosts. To live migrate the VM, select the virtual machine from the list and press the Migrate Live button from the VM Actions drop-down menu. Select the destination host from the list and then the destination system data store. Once the VM is back in the running state, you can consider that the migration was successful. As seen on the screen, both virtual machines are now running on the same host. To perform the cold migration procedure, select the VM once again and from the VM Actions drop-down list, select the Migrate option. Select the destination host and confirm the system data store. Same as with the hot migration, the virtual machine returns back to the running state and now both virtual machines are running on two different hosts. And this concludes our screencast where we have shown how to perform cold and hot migration of a virtual machine. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.